And as school begins, there have been some concerns from parents about bus stops and transportation. And today we contacted these school districts to get some answers. Charleston County School District leaders say the best way to get help with questions about bus transportation is through the district website. Under the Transportation Department tab, there is a link that you can click on to leave a complaint or feedback. District leaders tell us they are working hard to make sure these issues are addressed quickly. They say all bus stop information can also be found on that same website page. And ahead of the first day for Berkeley County School District tomorrow, we have heard complaints that bus information has not been updated for some students. District leaders tell us principals have or will be sending out information directly to parents, and they should call their child's school with any questions.